Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I thought I would do some vlogging because it's the holidays and I don't know, my life's a little busier than normal. Not really, I just have other things that I'm doing. Anyway, so today I got my memory foam little mattress topper that I'm gonna put out and let it open and breathe. And then I might go out later and get some decorations for the house. Steve has an exam on Thursday. So on Thursday, I think after his exam, we're gonna celebrate by going to get our tree and hopefully start the decorations. So I'm really pumped about that. And then kind of just, you know, chilling, enjoying the weekend and feeling all holiday excited. I've had a hot chocolate like every single day, so that's problematic, but it's fine. So I'm really excited because I got this memory foam topper from Lucid, but it needs 48 hours to like expand and I don't know, change shape and get ready to be like a whole thing. Anyway, our bed kind of sucks. Our mattress, it has like a swoopy little divot in the middle. It's not great. So I'll let you know how it is once I open it, but I got it on like a Cyber Monday sale on Amazon for like $50 or less. Hoping this will help. I don't know if it will, but we're gonna try it. So I'll keep you posted. I'll show you some other stuff that I got during Black Friday and Cyber Monday, including this outfit. I don't have a, hold on, let me get to my mirror. So this is like a sweater from Aerie. It's not really like, you know, flattering, super flattering because hello, I'm not skinny, but it's really comfy and really cute. And so I actually don't care. I love it. So I got this with these tights that are like super, super cozy. I will link them. This is basically all I want to wear all winter. And we got this fun rug. I'll show it to you once it's all pulled out. So it has now taken up the entire room. Just gonna let it expand and breathe and whatever it says, you know, meditate or whatever. Hello, happy Friday. I'm so excited because Steve and I are going tonight to, hold on because there's a car coming by and it's so loud and annoying. Anyways, I'm really excited. I'm sorry if there's wind, but there's like no light in my house, so I have to do this outside. Steve finished his last exam before his final, so tonight we're gonna go and look for our Christmas tree and try to find the perfect one and get some stuff to decorate inside and update the porch. This whole thing going on just looks like an extension of my hair. It's fine. Anyway, so I thought I would bring you along as we do our yearly search for the perfect tree. So yeah, let's go. Found our perfect tree and Steve is gonna set it up. I'll show you here in this little corner and then decorate around it and around the house. Do you like it, Josie? Do you love it? So the lights are all on. It looks so pretty. We're gonna take a break and have dinner and then come back and put all the ornaments on and finish it up. are starting to put some ornaments on the tree. What you got?
She purring.
Don't sit on it. So it's Saturday, I made it to Val. I'm about to do my little workshop with Monica and Morgan are here with me at Monica's gorgeous studio here in Philly. I'm gonna turn it around and show you some of it. But anyways, I thought I would bring you along today for our very first workshop here in Philly, and I can't wait to show you. Oh, the foot action. So I'm finally home after a long day. I'm so tired. Steve is at the movies tonight with a friend, so I am gonna make some tea, have some cookies, snuggle with my Josie, maybe watch some movies. So yeah, Booney. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel. So glad you're here, and hopefully I'll be able to do a couple more vlogs before Christmas. I've never done this Vlogmas thing before. I'm pretty sure it has to be every day, but ain't got time for that. So thanks so much. You're amazing. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch this and to be supportive and to be here. I'm so grateful for you. Have a good day. Have a great weekend. Have a wonderful week. Okay, bye.